Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to do an intro for this video, so let's just hop into it. Alright, so we're going to do a mostly MAC face today. We are going to go in with the Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 and NW46. I'm typically in the powder Studio Fix, I'm NW45, but for this one, I'm NW46. I tried the NW45 and no girl, it was too light. To buy the pump separate, which is so dumb. MAC, what are y'all doing? MAC, bring Matchmaster back. And then I have the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in NC44. Really light. I probably should have went a shade up in that one too, but whatever. And then I have these two little lipsticks that I got for free. They're like samples that came along with buying the two MAC products. And the star of the show will be the MAC mascara. Alright, I'm going to do... Ooh. Is it not going to pump? Is it not pumping? Pumping's not pumping? Okay. 2, 3 pumps. Probably should have just done 2, but I'll save the other for the other side. 1, 2, do. And I'm using Beauty Blender, or not a Beauty Blender, this is the Real Techniques blender. I find that this just makes my liquid foundations go on so much better. And as always, my face always looks so orange on camera, but I'll show y'all up near the window how this looks. Okay, I just did a really thin layer because I'm not trying to be cake queen, okay? But I'm going to zoom out real quick. Foundation on this side, no foundation. Take y'all up to the window, just a sec. Okay, we're up at the window. Y'all, this color looks great. I do kind of have my summer tan on, but I don't think I would probably get that much lighter back in the winter, but I can definitely tell I'm more red right now because I've been outside a lot more. But this also has SPF, so it'll protect my skin. Again, no foundation. I'm going to set my face with the Studio Fix powder in NW45. Just set my entire face. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you it with me applying the mascara here with makeup on. Also, I'm going to show you without having any eyeshadow on, so you can kind of get a real feel for how it looks like on the naked eye. So I have those kind of side by side. So I received this free from Influencer. I will leave a link in the description so that you guys know how to join Influencer if you would like. So this is a really cool packaging. And let's see, I've never tried a MAC mascara before, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Standard wand. It doesn't seem too wild and crazy. It kind of smells like florally. And this is my lash from the side. All right, let's do it. I like to apply it on the top and under the bottom. Ooh. Huh. Okay, definitely gave it some lift, girl. Definitely gave it some lift. I'm going to go in with a second coat. I like to twirl it. There we go. Oh, yeah. And you can see the fibers on there. Like on the ends, my lashes. Ooh, yeah. All right. Okay, and last but not least, let's do these lips before my battery dies. I already have LA Girl blushing on my lips, but I wanted to maybe outline it and then do a lip gloss. So, I feel like I got some of that mascara on my eye. Ooh, okay, let's see. Here is Mocha Satin Lipstick. Ooh, sample size. Mocha It looks kind of more brick to me. So I'm just going to do it like, oops, I'm going to do it around the edge of this that I already have on. You know, I can't even see. It actually kind of already looks like the lipstick that I have on. It's showing up on my lips kind of as a pink instead of like a brown, which is interesting. And it has that typical MAC smell. It actually matches the lipstick the liner that I had on under this. I really like this color. It's really pretty. It doesn't look mocha-y to me, but I guess everybody has a different definition of mocha. I don't know, girl. But again, my lips were lined with blushing from LA Girl, and now this is the final face. Lashes, mascara, and all. I feel like I definitely got some in my eye in this one. But thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.